Look at all the snow we have. That snowbank is literally the size of Alyssa. All of it, everywhere. Class is canceled. That's why we were able to stay up till 4 yesterday.
We woke up at like 2.
Yeah, we woke up at 2. Well, actually, technically, I woke up at 1:30. And I was like, Alyssa, we missed lunch. We missed our meals. So now we're going and we're hoping that they're open for cafe hours. If they're not, I'm gonna eat Alyssa.
Please don't.
This is Brooke signing out.
So you
know the game Flappy Bird that everybody's been playing? Something tells me that Alyssa is a little frustrated with the fact that she can't even get to like 20.
What? Good.
How's this making you feel?
Better. It's the best thing I've done with my life.
What is this?
Called Squishy Bird.
Squishy Bird? Is it on Facebook?
No.
Oh look, you got a score of 22.
See?
3?
I'm better at this game.
Clearly. It's making you feel
Better. Full of rage.
You know, I think this is what they mean when they say that video games are making us violent.
Good.
I mean, look, you can't get a bird through a pipe, so your solution is by just squishing him so he's nothing but a squirt of blood. Oh, 2 at one time! Alyssa! Oh, all the snow. As Alyssa just pointed out, you can't even see the cars on the other side.
It's supposed to keep snowing overnight.
No, it's supposed to stop at 8.
Really?
That's what I saw
I
last.
think we'll have another snow day.
So it's like really deep. But they did a nice job at shoveling or snowblowing, which they hadn't this morning. But it's going good now.